Let's walk through the latest front AI updates that help your team deliver top-quality service without sacrificing control. With Compose for Copilot, you can now draft responses using prompt-based instructions. Just click on the Compose button or spacebar and start typing what you'd like the reply to be. You can also ask Compose to make edits and adjust the tone, length, and more to your liking. This experience is available for customers on the Enterprise plan or with the Copilot add-on. Front AI can also now read attachments and use its content in Copilot replies. In this example, Copilot pulls a specific value from the attached invoice in the suggested reply we're using to respond to the customer inquiry. AI replies also match your company's tone, so you can deliver on-brand replies every time. You can also now integrate knowledge from your Notion workspace to generate more accurate, higher-quality suggested replies. In your settings, under Knowledge Sources, add a new third-party source and connect to Notion. Select the workspaces and pages you'd like to pull in knowledge from. These same knowledge integration capabilities are coming soon to Google Docs. Once your team starts using Copilot or Autopilot, you can check out how they're performing in their respective reports. For Copilot, you'll see things like how many suggested replies your team actually used and the average reply time for those replies. Meanwhile, the Autopilot report highlights how many conversations Autopilot resolved and its average resolution time. With the new front AI updates, your team can reply faster with more accurate answers, and you get clear insights into how well your AI replies are working.